Hi friends, welcome back to our tutorial. Yesterday I promised that I'm going to take you through the installation and preparing the Windows environment for our Laravel projects, and I will take you through on how to set up your PC step by step, so that we are going to use Laragon, PHP, and Composer, which we are going to get ready today, and I will walk you through everything in a clear way. So don't worry. As per now, I'm assuming that you are using your PC that is running Windows operating system, and in any case that you are using Mac OS or Linux, we will find a way of making another tutorial that is going to take you through step by step on how to install and prepare environment for running Laravel project. So the quick overview, or what we will do, is to download and install Laragon. And to download and install Laragon, you'll go to laragon.org. Under the download section here, you'll find download Laragon 2025 version 8.3.0 as per the time of this tutorial. And we can see that it is the full size will be 229 MB, so it's not that big. So you need a good internet and be patient while you're downloading that. So I myself, I had already downloaded that. I'm not going to do that process again. So after downloading, we will have to install now. Also, we will be able to verify that we have PHP version 8.1 and above. Then we will ensure the composer is available. That is, Laragon often includes it. If not installed, then we will have to install. Then install Laravel. So we'll install Laravel using the composer, that is Laravel installer, and create a test project. Run the project locally and confirm everything is working perfect. So without wasting time, let's continue installation with the installation of Laragon, setting it up. So this is what you'll in this site. You will come to laragon.org and hit on the download. Then you will come to download Laragon 2025, just as I already explained. Wait until it is done. Once it is done, you will come to your browser. If you are using Chrome, under the downloads, you will find the Laragon is downloaded here, laragon.wamp.exe. So click on it to open. Then you will get this Windows protected your PC. Just click on info, more info, and then run anyway. Then you will have to click English, select English or in language of your choice. Then here you will have to select the folder where you want your Laragon to be installed. In my case, I will just go with the default C, then the folder called Laragon, then next. Then you will choose if you want Laragon to start when Windows starts. Then you will also choose whether you want your app will get pretty URL, that is using the SSL https / your app name dot test. Yeah, then click next, click install. During this process, as the installation is continuing, in case you had already or previously installed other servers like Example or WAMP, ensure that you close them, and ensure that you close also MySQL running in the task manager to avoid conflict, because once the Laragon is done and when we run it, then if these other servers are also running, then you will get some port conflicts, and this may cause some error which we don't want. So ensure that you close example if it is running, or WAMP when if it is running on the background. In a few minutes, our installation will be done. Yeah, so our installation is done. You can choose to view, you can choose to run Laragon. So if I finish and run the Laragon, so this is the Laragon. You can see that our Apache MySQL and MailPit are all off. So we need to start all by clicking the button down here, start all. Then you will get this confirmation, which is allowing you to request this port via the firewall. So I choose to select everything like public and private. In my case, you can decide to choose private or public only. So that is all up to you. Then click allow. Then you will get this one for the mail pit as well, allow. Then you will get the last one for MySQL, then allow. So once you're done, we are done installation, and now our services are running successfully, as we can see. So we want to confirm that Laragon is having the services using the right ports. So that is like Apache is running on port 80 and MySQL on default port 3306. So if the ports are already in use, then we will try to change them. So to do that, we will go to menu. Then we go to preferences. Then we will go to services and ports here. Then we can see that our Apache is running on port 80 and MySQL also runs on port 3306. So we are okay. So if ports, in your case, ports are already in use, let's say something else utilizes that, then here is where you can change. You can even change this to port 3307 or something else of your choice. And this one you can change to 80, 83, whatever will work for you. Okay. So I explained that the reason why we are using Laragon is because it is a lightweight and it will support multiple PHP version and is easy to switch. So we can easily switch from one PHP version to the other, which is great for the Laravel development projects. Okay. So for example, if you right click on anywhere or you simply come to menu here, you will go to quick apps. Then you will come to PHP down here, and you will check the PHP version. So you can see that we are running PHP version 8.3.26, which supports Windows 32 and Windows 64 bits. Right. So if you want to add a new one, you go to tools. If you want to add a different version of the PHP, you go to tools, you come to quick add, then you choose. We have different PHP versions here. The latest version is PHP version 8.4. So you can choose that one and it will download PHP version 8.4 to use. For me, I will stick on PHP version 8.3, which is a stable version as per now. If you need 8.2, you do the same, or 8.1. This is the same to MySQL. So you can change your SQL versions and also Postgres SQL version down here. Okay. So we can also verify using the terminal, which is already provided here. So we can check which PHP version do we have, or are we using the Laragon that we have installed by simply typing PHP-V and you enter. So it will tell us we are running on PHP 8.3.26 CLI built on September 23rd, 2025. Okay. So those are the various ways on how you check your PHP version. So if PHP is older or you want another version, then as I said, Laragon, and I repeat that Laragon will support multiple PHP versions. You simply download a PHP zip or use Laragon built-in PHP manager, which I just shown you here, under tools, and you say add quick, and you use that to automatically download for you the PHP version that you want. So if you have downloaded a different one, then you will have to go to C. You will have to go to C, your C, somewhere here, C. Then you go to Laragon. We have a folder called Laragon. Then you will go to bin. Then you will go to PHP. So you'll find PHP folder here. Then you can upload your PHP folder which you've downloaded, your PHP version you downloaded from your browser here directly, and it will be detected. So you can simply swap from one version to the other. Okay. So I would also like to talk about how to add composer path when you want to add a composer to path yourself. So if you install composer manually, assuming that first of all, before we check that, I needed also to show you how to check your composer. So to check your composer, also you will simply come to terminal and then you type composer -v to check the composer version. So this shows us that we've successfully installed composer during the time we was installing Laragon, and our composer version is 2.8.4, which was made on the 11th December 2024. So that is the stable version of the composer. So our composer installed successfully. Assuming that you did not install that successfully and then you needed to download and do it manually, then download composer from the official website, which is getcomposer.org. So there is this website which is getcomposer.org, and then you'll download right here. You'll download a composer, so you can use this one on your terminal to automatically install your composer. Yes, or you can simply download composer manually using this manual download links which are provided here. So you can download the version which you want. For me, I already downloaded the version which is here, 2.8.4. That is what I have installed. But later on, I will try to update it to the latest version. Okay, so that is how you download and install the composer. After installing the composer, then you will need to, after the installation, then you will need to run composer version to check if you've installed it successfully. So if the path has not been added, it will not show you. Maybe it has been installed, but the path has not been added. So you can do it manually. So if you install Composer manually and the command isn't recognized in the Laragon terminal, make sure the composer dot phar that you downloaded or simply composer executable is in your path or the Windows environment. So Laragon's terminal usually picks up Laragon environment automatically. Not, if not, then restart Laragon after installing Composer. Okay. So we want to see now how to install a Laravel. Let's call it my project. The folder is called my project. Yeah. So Laravel new my project, and then you enter. So we can see that we are ready to install a Laravel project. So it's asking you which starter kit would you like. So I just need none. Just say none. And then which paste use, I will go with the default. So creating the Laravel project at my project. Project is going to be installed on the Laragon. We have ww. We have under this ww folder, you can see the folder called my project. So that is where our Laravel project is going to be installed. So it's almost done. Running some 55 package suggestion, and now the autoload files are being generated. So we just need to wait patiently until our installation is asking us if we like to use npm install, and maybe we build in. Okay, so that is how you install Laravel projects in the Laragon server. And now once our app is ready, we can now run the app. So how do we run our app? So you need to ensure that you are inside your Laravel project by cd my project, which we just created folder. Then you enter. So once there, you write php artisan serve. Then, you go to cd my project, then php artisan serve. Then you want to see your project by control, then click on this URL here to open it on a browser. So we have our newly installed Laravel project here in this Mac that it has successfully installed. You can see we are running Laravel 12 here. Nice. I think that's the end of our tutorial for today. Next time we are going to see on how we can create and beautiful Laravel project step by step. Thank you. In any case you have questions, you can ask by commenting on the comment section. You can like, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends to make them also learn as well. You know, we are a family. At the YouTube, you are a family, and we want to form a sharing community with a sharing attitude. So share with the friends, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for the future uploads. Thank you very much. Bye bye.